Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing Prison Life 2, not regular Prison Life, but Prison Life 2. Because I have admin here. And some of my friends are here. My other friend left, but I gave everyone here admin. I have all the weapons now. So it's like you gotta get... I'm gonna replace my punch with super powered punch. Get that and get the sword. Replace that with this. Okay. I need the lightning bow. Place that back, and the infinity gauntlet. RPG and purple minigun, because that one's stronger. And this book. And this. I'm giving my friend admin commands. He's not gonna actually have admin. He can just use commands. He has every weapon in game. There are not really people that use this one. That's the RPG for you. Look what it does to your camera if you're not zoomed in. Even if you're zoomed out. Let's go shift mode. Always front. Why won't he die? Oh wait, I'm a prisoner. For some reason in this game, prisoners can't kill other prisoners. Really, so many people are joining. And they're literally just gonna get tortured, and then they're gonna be forced to rage quit of torturing. You can't kill me! Do you know what that laser even does? Goy goy fish. Ah, goy goy fish, koi fish, koi fish. Ah, ah, ah. Use it on that core blocks lord. You can't do anything about it, so no. Goy goy pitties. Thanos blast. Why? I can't blow my cover that I'm a YouTuber. And I'm recording. Ha 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 ha. He's like, stop, 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 please. And I'm like, why? He left. Get away from me. I can't do any of that stuff Flamingo does. Stay. Lights on fire. Yes. Got him. What do you mean? No, I'm talking to this guy on there. I'm like, what do you guys? Do you know what this guy means by how do you get gems? I don't know. He's like, oh, he was like talking about the money, but he was like, how do you get gems fast? The only reason I have so many gems, I didn't buy them, but it's because I'm just here every day on end, shooting people with my admin abilities. Goy, 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 fish, koi fish, dang it. Let me out of here. If only I was no clipping. I mean, I have the key card. What you told me to do? No. No. This might seem rude, but I'm only doing this for the fun of this. The only thing is, with these people, if they don't like it, then why don't they just leave the game? I hate that about people, because one time, I was playing Imposter, and this guy was mad at me because I called him out first time. Because I called him out first time, and then he was like, I hate you, and I'm not talking about the green who was mad at me for no apparent reason or who was hating on me. I'm talking about this other guy I met who was actually a blue. This guy is calling me mean because I'm adminning him. What else am I supposed to do with admin? Be a hamster. True, but that's what I'm doing. I am being an annoying hamster that bites people for no reason, but has power in his bites. Burn! He's like, you mean you don't stop, I'm going to call you deputy. I don't care if you call me that. Who's you? Why are you, if you don't stop, I'm going to call you deputy. Who's deputy? This is supposed to be gone. Valentine's Day is a while away. It's around Christmas. He's like, grrr. Got him. And then he's making sure he's dead by shooting him. That's a cool one. The Skek sniper. What happened? But really. Oh no. You have to reset. Your character. He's saying he's gonna report me. For because I am shooting him and killing him, but I mean I'll give it back. Yes. It looks like I killed him, but he killed himself. Oof. He died. His name's Poop something. I gotta give Shade his stuff back. Okay. Bye guys. I have a few minutes left. No, I don't care. I need a friend Shade. I don't need I moves touch. There we go. Friends with Shade. Yeah. What do you mean? If I can't kill you this way, I gotta kill you this way. Goy pity shoe.